As you can see, I just watched a YouTube video for 30 seconds and in the end I get paid for it. And in just 2 minutes I earned $5. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to earn $250 every day. And this is not hard. Everything what you need to do is just watching YouTube videos. Okay, at first guys, you need to go under my video and click on this link. After you will be taken on this website. Here you need to click on sign up. After you just need to fill this information, it's very fast. First name, last name, birthday, gender, email and password. I'm not robot and create account. And it's all what you need to do. It's very simple. After that you can just start watching YouTube videos and I need to watch it for 30 seconds and I get $50. Okay guys, as you can see I finished this mission, so I click complete and after that, as you can see on my balance is already $6.4. So I can continue watching YouTube videos, just click. And actually I don't need to watch this YouTube video, I can watch TikTok or write to my friends, so I even don't need to lose my time. Okay, it's completed. Okay guys, it's past only 1 minute and on my balance I have already $7. Of course guys, you can also do it on your mobile phone, but for me it's easier work on my laptop. And okay, it's completed. I watched all 5 videos, passed only 2 minutes and I earned $7 and $5. But you can watch these videos again only after 23 hours. But now I will show you how you can make more money on this website and even faster. So there's nothing special, you just log out. After that you click sign up and just write your another email. After that you're not robot and create account. And as you can see I have new account and I can start watching the videos again. So after 2 minutes I also earned $7.5 on this account. From 2 accounts it's already $15. Oh guys, it's completed. So I click complete. Okay, you received $50. Okay, so click another video and on my balance as you can see $5.6 and click watch this video. Also you can do this on your mobile phone and on your laptop together, so you will be earn money too much faster. For 3 minutes you can earn $15. So guys, it's really easy way. Subscribe on my channel because every video I will make even better videos how to make money.